But I want you to share this with all of you. What do you think is the most important thing in this game that you can apply also when you play matches like in 11v11?
Score.
Of course, score. Football is about scoring goals. If you not score, you're not gonna win.
Passarla e
Play di
smarcarsi.
squadra.
Okay, play with your teammates,
Passarla e smarcarsi.
pass, and move into space. Right? Why we have to do that rather than dribbling?
Because the field is very small.
Sorry?
The field is very small.
Okay, so what do you don't have here that you might have in matches?
Much space.
Space and this one
Time.
word.
Time.
Time, exactly. Here you don't have a big space, and so you don't have time. So you have to be quick here in your mind to pass the ball and move into space to give a solution to your teammates in order to receive the ball. Okay, so you're not going to waste your time. And when you receive the ball, before receiving the ball, you have to know already where do you have to pass that ball. Okay,